He's got the blooming what's it out.
Got my 360 out.
Yeah.
Just trying to get a fix. As soon as you get the sound.
Yummy. What's that over there?
There's a train line over there. I think. And a river. A river. Defensive moat.
I see.
Yeah, castle like that.
This place.
Hey?
Yeah.
Castle.
I know this place.
You've blown over it.
Blown over it. Their knees are so dry.
Yeah.
Ah.
The moat.
Yeah, and
The
then
boat.
we can go in then to have a look at the ruins of the
moat.
Trees are lovely, aren't they?
They're not in the water, you know why? Because it's freezing cold.
We'll go in, have a look round, and then we'll head off to Dungeness.
You ate it as a whole
No,
no.
Let's take it home. Oh, we didn't.
I don't know. I don't know.
We found the moat.
Ah. Nice private road.
No fishing.
Oh, shame.
That's nice, isn't it? Oh, thanks.
That is beautiful. Oh no.
Just go around the edge.
Damn.
Around the edge.
Yeah, go around the edge. It's a lot solidified around it. Pigeons as well.
Nice, isn't they? See the duck down here, look. Waddling along. Hello. Oh. Some are mallard ducks. Yeah. See the green
The green
and
one.
grey, yeah, green head. They're lovely, aren't they?
They're nice.
Very nice. I think a male and female actually. Very, very old.
Very good.
I like it.
Very nice.
You got the tickets, haven't you? Still? You got. Yes. Hello. How are you?
You're in charge of the ticket, are you?
He's got the tickets
so.
today. Yeah.
Lovely.
He is the boss.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. There's another adult on there.
Yeah.
Ah, that lady
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, have you been here before?
No.
Okay, so thank you very much for coming. Once you're inside the castle, you're free to explore if you like. There's no set route.
All right.
We do have 2 towers you can climb. The one at the far end, you can go to the roof of there. Or when you get to the gravel path, if you turn right, follow it right to the corner, you can go up the northwest tower, come across the battlements, and you'll come out down here. And the only thing we ask is that nobody climbs onto the walls or into the windows, please, so that we can protect the passage.
No
Okay?
worries.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Oh wow. Very nice.
It's a map. Shows the layout, isn't it? That takes a map. Access coming in. It's lovely.
Yeah.
Trying to think. Here's that. Very
Oh no.
amazing.